What if I told you that somewhere out there a robot is picking strawberries right now and doing it more gently than most people could? This is a robot farmer. It's not science fiction anymore. Its mechanical arms move slowly, almost carefully, as if it knows that strawberries bruise easily. Each arm has stereo cameras, basically two eyes, and through computer vision, it finds the perfect stalk, calculates the right angle, and snips the fruit without damaging it. Now, before you start imagining a world where robots replace farmers, don't. This isn't about ending human labor, it's about transformation. As one farmer said recently, this isn't a revolution. It's a transition, and that's exactly what it is. A transition from hard, repetitive work to precision farming, where machines and humans work together to feed the planet more efficiently than ever before. Let's step into what this future looks like. Welcome to Winsett Farms, one of the most innovative greenhouses in the world. 92 acres of technology, biology, and engineering working together like clockwork. From the outside, it looks like any other greenhouse. But once you walk in, it feels like stepping into the future. Instead of endless dirt fields, there's a complex track system running across the entire greenhouse. It's not just for transporting plants. Those metal rails are also part of the heating system. Hot water runs through the pipes, warming the air and keeping the crops growing year-round. No diesel heaters, no smoke, just smart design. But that's not even the most impressive part. These farmers hardly use any chemicals. Instead, they grow their own army of protectors. You'll actually see tiny eggs of wasps and ladybugs, yes, the insects, placed throughout the crops. When they hatch, they naturally control pests, like aphids and whiteflies. No pesticides, no residue, no harm to the soil. It's basically nature fighting for itself, only this time it's guided by science. And if you notice a strange pink glow inside the greenhouse, that's not a filter. It's actually a mix of red and blue LED light. That specific spectrum helps photosynthesis work faster, gives better yields, and even cuts down light pollution. The colors may look artificial, but they're fine-tuned for life. Everything here runs on data. Each worker has a personal tablet, and after they finish harvesting a row of tomatoes, they tap their data pad. That simple action tells the system, this section's done, the fruit's ready, move to the next one. Over time, this data helps predict exactly when each row will be ripe. No guessing, no waste, just precision. Even biosecurity is on another level. You can't walk in without a hairnet and sanitizing. These tomato crops are meant to last up to 50 weeks, almost a full year. Replanting them too early would be a huge loss, so every bit of contamination risk is tightly controlled. Now combine all of this with robotics, and that's where the real magic happens. Robotic systems are already being integrated into places like Winsett Farms, machines that can recognize ripeness, measure soil nutrients, and even detect plant stress before a human eye could ever notice. Imagine drones flying above crops, scanning for disease with infrared cameras, or AI systems automatically adjusting light, humidity, and water flow based on real-time data from thousands of sensors. That's the new face of agriculture. Intelligent, efficient, and sustainable. And it's not about replacing farmers, it's about redefining what farming means. The farmer of the future might not be driving a tractor, they might be programming one. They'll need as much knowledge of data science as soil science. They'll grow food using algorithms, sensors, and biology, all working together. Think about it. This technology doesn't just help big farms. It's also the key to solving global food shortages, especially as populations grow and arable land shrinks. Robots can farm in vertical systems, in deserts, even in controlled urban environments. We're not just learning to farm better, we're learning to farm smarter. So next time you eat a strawberry or a tomato, remember, there's a good chance that somewhere a robot helped make that happen. This isn't the end of farming as we know it. It's just the next step. And it's one of the most exciting transitions humanity has ever seen.